What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. I hope you guys having a fantastic day or a great night. I'm very excited. I have some time to make a video and finally open here my heavy metal box from Halloween 2023 this year. Now, I know I'm a little late, so you guys know everything that is out there, all the hits, all the damages. So we're just gonna open it, have some fun. But before, since we are open a Freddy box, I thought it was appropriate to show you two additional Freddys that I picked up here locally to add to my collection. One was through a good friend of mine that we did a trade. He wanted something I had, and he offered me this, and I was like, sure, why not? I don't have it, and I think it was a great Freddy. They did a great job with this one, and this one is Freddy Funko as Waldo. And this one is the Diamond Edition one. And they did such a good job with this one. What is it? 5,000 piece. Everything. The glasses are glitter. The crown is matching his shirt. Very cool. So yeah, this one was a trade that we did with a good friend of mine. And I'm glad to add Waldo to the collection. And the other one was a local store, TC Toys. They always pick up collections from others, and this one was drop off, and I went to pick it up because I had a very good amount of store credit. So I think I ended up putting like $20 cash, which it was nothing. But this one was a pretty good one, a nice little grail, and this one is Freddy Funko as Mandalorian. Super awesome. Freddy. Another latest addition to the collection. Very cool. Super minty. Not like what probably we're gonna get on the box. This is in perfect condition. Very cool. 4,000 piece Mandalorian. Very happy to add this one to the collection. So I thought it was appropriate to show you guys since we are opening a box of Freddy. So without further ado, let's just open this, and I'm gonna try to not look, just gonna grab one thing at a time. See, I have one pack right here, so just gonna take it out. Whatever happens. Okay, I got the mascot. I got Feel the Graves. I think this one was a pretty cool mascot because he's holding the microphone. Only because of that. The Jack, there is another box too. The Jack, that one was very cool too. And to be honest, this one is not that bad. It's a little push right here, and maybe like right there has a little dent, but that's about it. Overall, it's pretty minty. Overall, it's pretty good. But that's the mascot, We want the Freddys to look like that. So let's do a soda. We did a pop. Let's do a soda. Let's see what we get. Wabam! Oh, I got it backwards. We got Vampire Proto. Proto the dog, Vampire the dog. This one is pretty cool. It has some different modes. I know there is one, I think black and white. I'm not really sure of the rest. I tried to kinda stay away, but it was impossible because watching too many YouTubers, so and Instagram is it's a little hard. But we got here is our pug, and we got Flocked Vampire Proto. 1 in 4,000. That's pretty nice. I like it. Flocked, and it's a dog. We probably going to keep him. We probably gonna keep him, yeah. Oh, that's so cool. The flockness is really cool. The colors, yeah, definitely a little keeper. Definitely low-key keeper. Alrighty, let's put this over here. Alright, let's grab a pop. Let's see what we get. I'm not gonna look. Not looking. I'm looking at chop. Here we go. Wha-bam! Who we got? We got Freddy Bones. Glow in the dark. Freddy Bones. 3,000 piece. 3,000 piece. Pretty good. We don't have crazy damage, but the box feels a little funky. But it's not damage. It's not really damage. So that's a plus. We got Freddy Bones. Let's continue with another soda. I think I have a soda right here. Alright, let's see what we get. Oh, Freddy as Chucky. Alright, pretty cool. I'll keep this one. I like that they pull all of the Chucky's movies. I like that. That's pretty cool. I think there is another one that his face is so broken and bloody. But nonetheless, I take this one. This one is a keeper. Alright. 1 out of 5,000. Cute little Freddy, Chucky. Check him out. Here we go. Alright, that's pretty cool. Good, guys. That's pretty cool. I'll take it. That's not bad. Now let's see what other Freddy we have. And I think we have another soda after that. I'm trying to open the box. Oh, here's the Funko. Okay, I have the pub. I don't know which one is the front and which one is the top. So I'm gonna go like this. Here we go. Oh, another Freddy Bones. Oh, this one is the black and white Freddy Bones. Black and white Freddy Bones, 5,000 pieces. Damn, 2 Freddy Bones. I wish it was something different. Oh, this one is completely ripped off right there. Look at that. Oh man, this one is completely destroyed. That's too bad. Let's open the box all the way. I do like the artwork. I do like that. Here is the paper tissue, and we have 2,500 Freddy Funko as werewolf. So this one's pretty. This one's alright too. This one is alright too. Oh, sorry, the mic fall, so everything moved. I'm trying to open it. They're so tight. Here we go. Oh my god. I like when they have the little hole in the middle because it was so tight. So tight. Here we go. Alright. Here is the Pog. Freddy Funko as Sepia Werewolf. Sepia Werewolf. I don't know what that means. But here we go. Nice little Freddy as werewolf. And that completes our box of Freddy Funko Halloween 2023 New York ComicCon. Pretty alright overall, pretty alright. A lot of keepers. Probably Freddy Bones right here that is all destroyed and is black and white. Probably is the only one not keeper. So overall it was pretty cool. Yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna get another one. I think they still have some available, so I don't know, maybe. I know some people locally have a few boxes for sale. I'm gonna offer them a trade, so if we can trade for another box, then we might do it. If not, we're gonna keep hunting. And yeah, that was our video for today. I hope you like it. Smash that like button for me, please. Comment down below, subscribe, and I hope you have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.